Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Volvo XC60 vs Toyota RAV4 hybrid, which is better. Listen closely to fuel economy, cabin feel, safety tech, and running costs to guide your choice. I'll highlight practical pros and cons in easy language, compare typical ownership expenses, and point out who each SUV suits best. By the end, you'll have clear decision points to match with your priorities and budget, making your next test drive more focused and productive. I'll walk you through how each SUV feels on the road and what to expect at the pump. Consider how much highway cruising versus city driving you do, since hybrids shine in stop-start traffic. Think about towing, acceleration needs, and whether a quieter cabin is worth a fuel economy trade-off. Those simple use case choices usually point clearly to either the Volvo for comfort or the RAV4 hybrid for efficiency and lower fuel bills. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: check out those leak-proof meal prep containers I mentioned. They make busy weeks easier and storage neater. You'll find the link and more deals in the description below, which helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. We'll compare interior quality, infotainment ease, and typical running costs so you know what you're paying for beyond the sticker price. Think about seat comfort for long trips, cargo space for gear, and standard safety suites that may reduce insurance costs. I'll also point out likely long-term expenses and resale trends that affect ownership value. These practical comparisons help you judge which SUV gives more value for your lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.